to start my day sometimes, I love listening to good music. And when I mean good music, music like Asake mentally. Like if you chop that jam, if you chop Asake mentally, hey God, I dey strategize mentally. Hey, no go wine, no.
Mentally, I dey strategize mentally. No slacking, no slacking. Kashamalo, no shaking. Mama dem no fit imagine where I go there tomorrow. I dey move like magic. I feel.
What up, guys? I dey be now, I dey be. We'll be sipping some Predator. We use some Predator to start our day, okay? I don't know, I see so many people saying Predator is not good for the body. And then still sabi o.
Hell no, man.
And I'll be taking some hoods for the morning. Some Russia friends.
Energy 2000, you know me, I no get cacos. I've been a good person, but right now I don't learn lesson. Put on your two factor. I want boys, one parallel. One fellow like I would love. People they jealous to that kingdom come. Yeah, boy, energy 2000. My body to one London. Daddy DJ play my song. Cause we wanna party all night long. Put on your two factor. I want boys, one parallel. One fellow like I would love. People they jealous to that kingdom come. Yeah.
So I'll be asking myself a few questions today, and I'll be asking MoneyGram here a few questions. So hopefully we're listening to what he has to say, okay? Here's the Chef Bobby. How many people did your live stream? Boys just the house, just they feel bored for you. Person don't know if you want to do again.
I swear. I shouldn't.
So bro, I want to ask you, get one question I want to ask you.
I'm gonna show you like child.
Get one question I want to ask you.
Okay.
And I want me to be honest too.
Sure.
Yeah, in the history of football, in the history of football.
God have mercy upon us.
In the history of football, who do you consider the GOAT, the greatest? You know, like in the whole history of football till now, who do you consider the greatest? Like the greatest?
Without sentiment or any bias.
Baba, just talk. Who
They
you
get two goats. Someone see money they like ourselves. Many people they bias. They say they choose their faith over the others. But me, I'm a truthful boy.
Oh yeah. Who do you think is the greatest?
The greatest
footballer of all time.
For me,
yeah.
My favorite is Ronaldo. So I cannot be saying Ronaldo is the GOAT. Two goats in different way. Messi na GOAT, Ronaldo na GOAT. But Ronaldo is the most GOAT. You don't understand?
Bro, why do you say so? Why?
Yes, now Ronaldo be GOAT now. Who won't be GOAT again if not Ronaldo?
Why now? Why you feel like say Ronaldo be GOAT? You feel like say he don't do.
He dey do many things, so no is just
pass Messi.
No is just especially in brain, play everything is score in the place.
Is that what you feel?
Yes, now I feel it because I know it. Everybody knows it.
And I think Ronaldo have more great success. The both of them are successful though.
Yes, no.
But for me, Messi.
I know.
Agba.
I know.
Messi, you don't deserve to wear this shirt.
I won't give him
as you call Ronaldo. You don't need to do it.
I won't give him a fame.
No, why are you putting on this? Why are you putting on
the
this?
fame I'm giving you now. Free fame. I'm giving you a free fame and all these people.
Bro, you and I know the records are there. The records are there. The facts are there. You understand? Ronaldo is good. Normal. I don't want to follow you. I don't want to follow you drag. Ronaldo good. Normal. But we have to be honest with ourselves. You
know the honest.
Messi,
you will be the host. Host kill. If you are not truthful to your
God
to
have
your
mercy upon us.
Don't listen to him.
Okay, I need you guys to like follow, follow for more, subscribe, you get, and still give me a comment under the comment section to tell me who do you think is the greatest of all time.
Be sincere, please.
For real, be sincere. And I have a reason why I say so, because many people they feel like say Ronaldo don't reach to the follow Messi. No, the records are there. The records are there.
Be truthful, be sincere.
Energy 2000, you know me, I no get cause. I've been a good person, but right now I don't learn lesson. Put on your 2 factor. I want boys, one parallel. One fellow like a whole